Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate reports in Monday.com. When you open your dashboard, you'll see all your projects or boards in one place. Before creating a report, take a moment to review your boards and make sure all data is up to date. This ensures your report reflects the most accurate information. To create a report, look to the left side toolbar and click the ++ icon. This is where you can create new boards or reports. Next, choose Start with a Template. In the template search bar, type Report. This will show you all report-related templates. From the list, select the Expense Report template. This one is perfect for tracking and managing expenses. Click Use Template, and Monday.com will instantly create a new board with ready-made columns and sample data. You can duplicate this board if you want to create multiple reports for different teams or projects without starting from scratch each time. Now, let's customize it. You can add, remove, or edit columns to fit your needs. For example, add a column for receipts where team members can upload images, or a comments column for quick discussions. The beauty of Monday.com is flexibility. Your report isn't just static, it's interactive and adaptable. You can use it for financial tracking, project updates, or data insights. Consider adding status indicators or conditional formatting to highlight key information. This makes your report easier to read and helps your team quickly identify priorities or issues. So that's how you create and customize reports in Monday.com. Simple, efficient, and fully tailored to your workflow. Once your report is ready, you can share it with your team or stakeholders directly from Monday.com, or export it as a PDF or Excel file for presentations or meetings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Monday.com tutorials. See you next time.